Morrow County, rough truck, Thursday, 29th August, 7 o'clock, and it starts at 8. It's an hour drive. I think we're late. Better late than never, though. We'll get there. We're out here at Morrow County. Look at that crowd they're show off in front of tonight. It's gonna be a good night. If you're new here, this is my 06 King Ranch. I've been rough trucking it. I rough trucked it at Muskegon County Fair. As you can see, the bed got messed up. It's slowly but surely getting banged up. I'm gonna put on a show out here tonight. I think I've already sold the wheels off of it tonight. Every time I go somewhere to rough truck it, somebody tries to buy something off of it. It was a nice truck.
So here comes Jordan. Looks like Jordan's got a 4-door. A 4-door Ford. He's got one of them lazy beds on it with the big diesel under the hood. Is it all show or is it go, fans? That's the question. Is he here to look good or is he here to tear it up? Look at the bed on that thing. Lord sakes, looks like a big girl's in the back of that thing. Wow. Looks like the beer cans and all are bouncing in the bed of the truck. Coming around the first turn. Gonna cut her tight with the old 4-door. Nice turn. Up and over the first jump. Through the whoop-de-doos. As the bed kind of slaps her way down through. Oh! One of the cans made her out and around, sliding her sideways. Miss. Oh, and he almost missed the hill. He's got to back up and try it again. Good effort by Jordan Ramon. The question is the bed going to make it through the whole course? The old running lights are flashing and all, folks. Cutting her around. Going to come to the grandstand side now. Make sure he hears you, fans. Well, going back through the middle again. Sliding around with a big jump, fans. Put your hands together. Not a bad jump, not a bad jump. Now he's going around. The question is, he forgot the outside, so he's going to make an extra lap. So that means he's going to have a second chance at the big jump. Is he going to hit the big jump again? Encourage you fans, let's get after it this time. That's what we're talking about.
Let this thing eat. If it fits, it ships.
That's a fact.
What do you think?
Tired.
8 a.m. class. It's gonna come pretty soon. And my last one's here. Bone's the best finish line jump. You got some air off that. I think a lot of people didn't think I was going to send it on that one. I'm definitely going to feel that in the morning. But put on a show. Well, there's a hell of an audience tonight. So, see ya at Delaware.